How to recover banned Telegram account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can recover our banned Telegram account. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So Telegram may ban your account for specific reasons like spamming or doing some activities that is very offending. So Telegram may ban your account for that. If you're in that situation and if you want to unban your account from Telegram, there are certain methods you need to follow. So that is just open up your email and log in into your account, and you need to compose an email for that. So for that, you just need to simply tap on compose here. After tapping on compose, you need to send an email to spam@telegram.org. After adding your recipient, you need to enter the subject on just sort of type in help needed to unban my account, help needed to unban my account. Just type in that. After that, compose an email saying how it was your mistake or how it was some kind of mistake, or write an apology or convince them on how you want your account back, and send it to them. After that, after a few hours or days, Telegram will reach out to you and help you unban your account, hopefully. So therefore, by following that method, you can unban your Telegram account. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.